This Dremel Moto-Saw offers a compact and easy solution for making detailed cuts in a variety of materials including wood, plastic, laminates, and metal. This portable, precision sawing tool is easy to store, set up, and operate and features a tool-free mechanism for quick blade changes. The Moto-Saw functions as a stationary scroll saw, yet it can be removed from its base to become a portable motorized coping saw. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cuts variety of materials. Make detailed cuts in materials such as wood, plastic, laminates, and metal. Number 2. Detachable Coping Function. Functions as a stationary scroll saw or remove it from its base to become a portable motorized coping saw. Number 3. Auto Tensioning Quick Change. For easy accessory change and optimal tensioning. This feature keeps the blade taut so it's ready to cut. Number 4. Clamp Base. Fast clamp base attaches to various tables, benches, and surfaces. Number 5. Dust Port Adapter keeps line of sight clear and workspace clean. Number 6. Blue Edge Guide Locking levers illustrated on the packaging are not included in the kit and do not affect the performance of the tool. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.